Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2024 Mercedes-Benz C300 4Matic Sedan. It's got the mild hybrid system with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, a 9G DISTRONIC automatic transmission, and is painted in Obsidian black metallic with black Artico interior. All right, we'll start here at the back. So here's our trunk lid. It does have the power trunk gate. Inside the trunk, nice spacious trunk here, so you can fit a lot of items. You can see it's got the carpeted mats here, the AMG embroidered there. Down below, we do have some more storage in there. And we'll go ahead and close the trunk lid here, push of the button there. And we'll zoom out. You can see it's got the panoramic roof there. Coming back here, you can see the C300 badge. It's got LED tail lights, got the Mercedes-Benz medallion there, the 4Matic back there. And then down below, you're gonna see the dual exhaust incorporated in the rear bumper there with the nice stainless trim piece. All right, we'll make our way to the wheels. So we got these unique 5-spoke wheels. They got AMG stamped into them, and we got Continental tires all the way around. The rear tire size is a 245/40 R18. All right, we'll check out the front wheel next. So here's our front wheel, same size tire in the front. Let's check out the interior from the back here first. So you can see the nice stitching here, black door panel. The speaker grill there, we got your door release there, your power locks, nice black trim piece there. Here's our front seats from the rear. We got the center console with the HVAC there, so the vents, and then we have the all-weather floor mats back here. We'll show you that rear seat here. Good looking rear seat. You've got 3 headrests. Pull this down here, we got an armrest here, and this comes out with cup holders. All right, we'll close that up. I'll show you up here. We do have the full panoramic roof. It's got the power shade as well. We'll go ahead and close that door and come into the doors here. We do have blind spot monitor in the mirror. And then down below, we have your heated seats up front, memory package for your passenger, and you got all your power seat functions there, power locks there, and windows, and your sound system there. Here is our dash. Really cool looking vents here. It's all illuminated as well. Got the nice trim on here, weave pattern. Open up the glove box, we got the books in there. Here's our door jambs, nice and tidy. You got the Mercedes-Benz there. It is illuminated as well. Mercedes-Benz floor liners up front matching the rear. And you can see with the lumbar on the side of the seat here. It also has the seat power seat extenders. And here's our seats from this side. Power headrests as well, and then here's our view of the roof from this side. Again, the shade is open, and we'll start back here. You can see the profile here, all glass roof there. And then we got their power body colored mirrors, signals built in, 360 camera, chrome door handles with the stainless surround around the windows there. Here is our wheels from this side here. We got this nice rocker piece down here, and let's just stop here. I'll get a good angle here and give it a wave. You can see the paint is like a mirror finish. It shines like crazy. Coming up here, we have the LED high performance headlights by Mercedes-Benz. We got that star grille there with the big Mercedes badge up front there, and then we'll check out the hood liner here. And then down below, we have your power plant. So again, it's the mild hybrid system. So it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with the 48-volt hybrid system. And it's paired to the 9G DISTRONIC 9-speed automatic. All right, we'll close up the hood here. And we'll just show you the paint here. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see all the reflections here. So the car has already been 5-stage polished by our team. So you can see it is ready to go. I do see one little touch-up spot there, maybe another one over there, but you can see just really beautiful car. Looks even better in person and outside. And this black has this beautiful metallic to it. So it's not just a straight black. Door panels on this side here. And again, we'll just do a quick view here, same as the other side, beautiful condition. Seats do fold down as well, as you'd expect. And then we have the blind spot monitor in the mirror there. Here's your heated seats, and again, memory package for your driver, your power seat function here, locks, power mirrors, power folding mirrors as well. We got power windows there, trunk door release, and I'll show you the dash from the side here. Here's our door jambs, nice and clean and tidy. Pedals down there, your mats, and again, your seat on this side here. Fantastic condition. Let's jump in. All right, close up the door here. Got the vent over here. Got that nice weave fit pattern here. Here's your headlight controls. You get electronic parking brake. On the column here, we have power tilt and telescopic wheel. Your signals here. Then we have your paddle shifters tucked away here, so upshift, downshift. Here's your buttons on the steering wheel here. We do have a adaptive cruise control there. We got more buttons here, and then we have your Bluetooth there and your transmission there. We'll go ahead and start it up. Let's push button start. All right, we'll zoom out. We'll check out that wheel. So got the nice black leather up here, the perforated here, nice contours over here for easy holding. 3-spoke design. You can see the big Mercedes badge here coming into the gauge cluster here, fully digital. Mileage only 18,289 kilometers. Up here we got the visors, and then we got your map lights up here, as well as your features there. We have your mirror there, and of course we have those 3 vents there. Look at this massive touchscreen in the center here. It has navigation. You got your phone controls here. Here's your nav here. We'll go back home here. Your radio, media, MB apps. We'll just hit that there. Back home again. Your store. Here's your comfort. Oh, back to comfort here. So you get your ambient lighting here, your seating features. Let's come back here. Devices. Oh, let's go back to settings here. So here's the setting: your driving, collision, assistance, camera, parking, a dual zone climate control here. Down here you got your dynamic controls. So here your eco, comfort, sport, sport plus, and then your individual. All right, we got the camera functions here. So you got your 360 camera there. We got your car functions here. And then we have your audio controls. I'll throw it in reverse so you can see we got reverse camera. Again, the 360 pops up as well. Here's your front view of the camera there. And then down below we have the nice black trim there. Open that up. We got 2 cup holders here, some storage, and a media port there. Here's our console lid. I'll push the button here. It splits open. We got more storage there and more media ports. All right, we'll close that up. Open up the door here. I'll make sure the lights are on. We'll give it a few revs here. You hear that turbo kick in. One more time. All right, let's jump out here. Close up the door. I'll show you those LED headlights from the front here. Look at this, what a beautiful car. Spin it around here to show you those LED tail lights. You can hear the exhaust at idle here. All right, so here we have, this is a 2024 Mercedes-Benz C300 4Matic Sedan with a mild hybrid system. So it's got the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder 9G-tronic transmission, and it is painted in Obsidian black metallic on black Artico interior. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.